Morbidity and mortality by Group C. Morbidity and mortality are terms used in epidemiology, which is the study of determinants, patterns, and risk factors of disease events in populations. Morbidity is those left with significant consequences as a result of illness. This can be caused by a disability or poor health. An example of morbidity is when someone has a stroke. A stroke is a brain attack through the blood supply, resulting in the death of cells and brain damage. When cells die during a stroke, skills controlled by that area of the brain are lost. Depending on what part of the brain is affected and how much damage the stroke caused can determine the result of how the stroke affected the person. Morbidity can make you not be as functional as you were before. Another example of morbidity is diarrheal disease, an infection in the intestinal tract. The disease associated with diarrheal disease is diarrhea, where fluid is passed very quickly. This can be very dangerous and very lethal in children because the symptoms of their illness associated with diarrheal disease can lead to death. Mortality is a means to measure the number of deaths in a given population. Stroke kills almost 130,000 Americans each year. On average, 1 American dies from strokes every 4 minutes, and it is the 4th leading cause of death in the U.S. Diarrheal disease is the 2nd leading cause of death in children under 5 years old, and it kills around 760,000 children under 5. So to conclude, morbidity is the illness that occurs and mortality is the death in the population. Morbidity statistics indicate the public health of a population more precisely than mortality statistics because many diseases have relatively low mortality.